Have you ever wanted to customize the look of your website, but felt stuck with the default color scheme? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to change Bootstrap's color scheme, specifically for version 4. I totally get it. When I first started using Bootstrap, I was frustrated by the limited color options. It felt like I was stuck in a sea of white and blue. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face the same challenge. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user mentioned that they couldn't find a way to change the color scheme in Bootstrap version 4. They reminisced about an old online tool that could generate a CSS file based on an uploaded image. Sound familiar? Let's explore some solutions together. So, why is changing the color scheme in Bootstrap 4 a bit tricky? Unlike earlier versions, Bootstrap 4 doesn't come with built-in tools for color customization. But don't worry, we have some workarounds that can help you achieve the look you want. And stick around. I have a fantastic tip at the end that will make your color customization process even easier. You won't want to miss it. To change the color scheme in Bootstrap 4, the user can start by using Bootstrap's built-in customization options. First, they should visit the Bootstrap website and navigate to the customization section. Next, the user can select the colors they want to change. Bootstrap provides a variety of color options for components like buttons, alerts, and more. They can choose their preferred colors from the palette. After selecting the colors, the user can download the customized Bootstrap CSS file. This file will include all the changes they made, allowing them to easily integrate it into their project. Finally, the user should link the downloaded CSS file in their HTML. They can do this by adding a link tag in the head section of their HTML document. Fun fact, did you know that the original Bootstrap was created by Twitter? It was designed to help developers create consistent interfaces quickly. Now it's a go-to framework for many web developers. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user points out that since Bootstrap 4 is still in alpha, customizer websites like Bootswatcher may not support it yet. As an alternative, they suggest overriding the basic settings directly. Here's that fantastic tip I promised. Always keep a backup of your original Bootstrap files before making changes. This way, you can easily revert back if something doesn't work out as planned. And there you have it. You now have the tools to change Bootstrap's color scheme in version 4. Remember, customization is key to making your website stand out. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for even more design hacks.